turn that we just saw there, Rick. That was a great maneuver there. But here we go. Eyes to the right. Look at this, Rick Peterson. Check it out here, showing us the weapons bays. There they are. Designed to replace multiple strike and fighter aircraft, including the A-10.
Say that because the helmet
completely see-through.
Completely see-through. Where he looks, he sees the airframe's not even there. You can see through it, behind it.
Into hover mode. You'll notice several doors opening on the aircraft. The large door on the top, just behind the canopy, that's the upper lift fan door. Well, here it is now from the left, the F-35B. Slowdown.
Just get real loud.
All right. This is going to be great.
We should say everything we have to say has been said about this, Doc, because you're not going to hear a word
I'm done.
we have to say in just a moment.
It's all you, Rick. I'm turning my mic.
We were fortunate enough to be able to get to Lockheed Martin where the aircraft are built and sit in the sim.
never gets old looking up there at that F-35, does it? To you, Rick? I mean, we see it all the time, but it
Fifth
never gets
generation.
old. Never gets old.